Hi guys, my name is Miguel Ilagan, and yeah, welcome to this short course on Microsoft Word. So for this lesson, we're going to be covering adjusting our text. So our second text box shown here. So changing our font style or face. So just changing what it looks like, and yeah, just making the adjustment to the text to what we like the look of. And making it in Word art as well. We're also going to cover resizing our text, so making it bigger, making it smaller, and depending on what we like the look and feel of. And yeah, then we're going to going over moving our images around, the ones we have in our text in our document here, and just making it fit neatly in our document. Okay, let's get into it. Now I want to make our text safe for our Valentine's Day ball. This one, not just nicer. So what I'm going to do is just change the font style. So the option we can do is to simply use word art, and then yeah, you can have a lot more styles. So you can go just basically after I click that to deselect, go to insert, and then we have here word art. So let's just click on one of those. It says some word art here, maybe this one, and just enter our text here. Table, and hit OK. So it's behind in terms of our positioning here. So again, wrap text in front of text. It comes to the front. So we can have something more fancy there, as you can see. So it's up to you. We can still adjust these options. So we click our drop down box here, and then we can hover. We get different options there. Valentine's Day ball. It's not very elegant, so I'll just delete that. So we have a Valentine's Day ball text here. So just to change, say, our font style for this one, Valentine's Day ball. To do that, simply left click it, like that, and then let's just go home and adjust our text. I think I like something in script. So let's have a look at our font types here. Just left click the box and maybe some scripts. That looks nice, something fancy there. That's kind of funky. Oh, as you can see, I can't really see it. So let's make our text box bigger. There. Valentine's Day ball. Nice. So it's cutting into that area there. So what we'll do is here we will change the fill to nothing so that there's no overlap there. So format, shape fill, there, no fill. There we go. There, and we have laid it out better. Let's just adjust some more options. So I just do it slowly. Valentine's Day ball. Maybe I'll make it a bit smaller. So to select all text in a box, just Control A, and then let's make it smaller. So go to Home, make it smaller, just a bit. Now I find this text is taking up a bit too much space, so simply, again, select it all, make it a bit smaller. So we have more space for our heading there. Maybe this one. So let's make it smaller here, a text box. There we go. And we have our more space for our title. So what I'm basically doing is just moving around these points in per dot box, per the text box, and just basically moving it around. Quite like it like that. Just move the heart maybe up here, and smaller. And yeah, I hope you really enjoyed our lesson into other topics in Microsoft Word. So basically, yeah, we did adjust our font style, font face. We made adjustments to that, and yeah, picked a font that we do like. We also adjusted our font color. So we also had an adjustment for making text in word art. We also did resizing of our text, making it bigger, making it smaller. We also did the options of moving our images around again so that it fits neatly into our document. So yeah, for our next lesson, we're going to be going over adjusting our tackling the text adjustments. So mainly for our first text box. I look forward to seeing you there. And yeah, hope you learned a lot in this lesson.